Hi children, let us do a very interesting exercise today, rhyming words. You like to listen to words that sound same? Yes, rhyming words. So we are going to do an exercise. We look at all the words and we pick a word and then we find, listen, say aloud and find another word that will rhyme or sound same like that one. It's a very interesting exercise. Let's look at all the words in the rhyming word first exercise. Yes, I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Let's take another word. Let's take the word mice and put it here. What are mice? One mouse, many mice. What do the mice do in the night? They keep running about in the garden, on the loft. Oh, makes a lot of trouble. Yes? Mice. So we take the word mice and put it here. Say the word mice. What will the word mice rhyme with the word here? Good. Rise. So we put it here. Rise. Mice, rise. Very good. So we are matching the mice word with the word rise. Mice, rise. Okay? So now we are learning rhyming words. Yes? Fall, tall. Then what we do? Lend, bend. Mice, rise. Very good. Let's take another word now, shall we? Are you enjoying the exercise? Lovely, isn't it? Now, let's take the word book. Shall we? Yes, we take the word book. Say the word again, book. Now, what is the book word? Will rhyme here with good. Look. Say it again, book. Look. Listen to the word and its sound. Look, book. Let's see what word is left over. Shall we go to the next? What is left over? We finish the word, we finish fall, tall, lend, bend, book, look, rise, mice, finished. Now, what is left here is gun. Let's take that word and put it here. Gun. What will the word gun rhyme with? Sun. Very good. Run, gun, sun. So the word gun, sun. We learn to match all these words. Rhyme the word from here, we pulled out. We took out the word that rhymes with from here. We took the gun from here and sun from here. Look how well you did it. Did you enjoy? Look at it again. Okay? Fall, tall, lend, bend, book, look, rise, mice, and gun, sun. Did you enjoy this exercise of rhyming word, picking the correct rhyming word? Good. Let's go to another exercise now, shall we? Okay, here we are. Let us read all the words first. We are learning to read. We are learning to listen to the sound and finally find the rhyming word. Look, best. What is this word? Best. Do your best. You should look the best. Best. Pond. What is a pond? A small patch with water. Pond. Duck. Where do you see the duck? Duck's in the pond. Best pond duck. Will. I will get up early. I will go to sleep early. Will. And care. Care. Who cares for you? Your parents care for you. Good. Best pond duck will care. Let's see what word we have here. Here we have fair. Fair. What fair? Fair means money or we go to the fair. Okay? Luck. How lucky you are. If your school is closed, you are a very lucky child. Luck, fair. Luck, fond. You're fond of your little pet. Fond. Rest. Nest. Who lives in the nest? Little birdie lays egg, lives in a nest and makes a net for itself. Mill. What do you take to the mill? You take grains to the mill to make flour, curd. So we have fair, luck, font, nest and mill. Now we are going to match one of these words with another word here. Rhyming word. Let's first take the word care and put it here. Care. Who cares for you at home? Your parents, your grandparents. Care. Listen, say it aloud. Say the word aloud. Care. The word care rhymes with the word fair. Very good. Care, fair. Good. What is the word care matches with? Yeah, fair. Care and fair is a rhyming word. Good. Care, fair. Good. Shall we go to another word? Let's take this word best and put it here. Best. The word best from this column. What is the rhyming word for that? Choose one. Best. Nest. Good. Best nest. Okay? Who makes the best nest? Little birdies. Listen and say it aloud. Best. Nest. They are rhyming. Are they? Good. Shall we take another word? Okay. Let's take the word will. Shall we? And put it here. Will. Will. Say aloud. Will matches with the word mill. Will, mill. Good. Will matches with the word mill. Very good. Now, shall we take another word? What word shall we take? Pond. Let's take the word pond. Pond. Say aloud. Pond. Pond will match with the word fond. Very good. So we take the word and put it here. Pond, fond. Very good. You go have a look into the pond. You're fond of the little ducklings that move in the pond. Pond, fond. Very good. Rhyming words you found. Finally, what's the word left over, children? Duck. The word here, the last word is duck. What is the word duck? Match with. The correct rhyming word over here. Duck, luck. Duck, luck. Look at all the words here. Care, fair. Best, nest. Will, mill. Pond, fond, duck, luck. Now you managed to pair up all the rhyming words. Good.